Welcome to my channel, viewers. Today, this is the discussion about the two important integral. See, number 1 and number 2 here, and this is the limit here is 1 by a to a, and tan inverse under root 1 plus 2x square by x square, and here is x square under root of 1 plus 2x square where a is more than 0. See the solution here, and first we here find the integral without limit. Okay, that tan is greater than, this is a I, and this is a j here, and this is root over of 1 plus 2x square by x square, and whole divided by x square into root over 1 plus 2x square and dx. This is the question here. So see, let us assume here, if we put let y is equal to 1 by x, differentiate, so dy equal to minus 1 by x square dx, so minus plus dx is equal to minus x square and dy. X square means minus 1 by y square and dy. Okay, and substitute here, and this is tan inverse okay, this is here 1 plus 2 by y square, and this is here 1 by y square. Okay, and here x square means 1 by y square, and under root 1 plus 2 by y square, and also dx means here minus 1 by y square into dy, and this is equal to, this is tan inverse, simplify this here y, if you take LCM here y, and this is here y into under root y square plus 2 here, and also this is y square and y square are cancelled, and see, if we take LCM, then y into and root over of y square plus 2 into dy. This is the negative also, so see here minus. Okay, and now let another variable z square. Okay, and substitute the value here a, and this is I, 1 by a, this is a, so let us assume a, therefore this is here a, and this is 1 by a here, this is here, and we change the sign here, 1 by a and a here, and same as we can, this is with the limit here, so 1 by a, and we replace by x into tan inverse x into root over x square plus 2 by root over x square plus 2, so that is dx, and this is equal to, okay, let us assume like let x square plus 2 as a y square. So 2x dx 2y and dy. So x dx and this is y and dy. So change the limit here. If we put here a, then we got here a square plus 2. If we put the limit here 1 by a square, then that is by a. X dx, that is y and dy. This is your tan inverse. X means that is root over x square, this is y, and x means root over of y square minus 2 and whole divided by y. So y over y cancel. So this is the formation of that. Now let us assume here as a j. So this is tan inverse y and root over y square minus 2 and dy. Okay. From that, this is as a first function, integration by parts. Okay. This is dy. Differentiate this. So 1 by y square and y square minus 2. And again, differentiate this as a u into v. So this is y square minus 2 and this is here y. So y is unchanged. This is 2 into root over y square minus 2 and differentiate y square is twice y and 2 is here 0. Okay, and integral of y is dy is y and dy. And now y into tan inverse y into root over of y square minus 2 and this is here y square minus 2y plus 1. This is y square minus 1 whole square. And take the LCM here, 2 are cancelled, then root over of here is y square minus 2. So multiply that, then we get here y square minus 2 and plus that is y square. Okay, and this is here y and dy. So this is can be written y equal y into tan inverse y into root over y square minus 2 minus 2y square minus 2. So taken 2 common. So y square minus 1 and y square minus 1 are cancelled. So we have left here y dy by y square minus 1 and root over y square minus 2. Okay. See carefully. This is minus 2 into integral that is y dy by y square minus 1. Okay. So see, again let us assume as the m square. Let y square minus 2 as a m square. So 2m dm 2y and dy. So m dm is equal to y and dy. So this is equal to y tan inverse y into root over y square minus 2 and this is here y dy, that is m dm by this is m here. Okay, y square minus 2, this is m square, this is m here, and y square minus 1, that is m square plus 2 minus 1. So m are cancelled, and this is y into tan inverse y into root over y square minus 2. This is 2 here, dm by m square plus 1, that is tan inverse dm by m square 1, that is tan inverse m. That is tan inverse m. M means root over of y square minus 2 plus c. So this is the indefinite integral for j. So now we have to find the value of this. Okay, this here. So now I, this is the required integral. So that is equal to y tan inverse y into root over y square minus 2 tan inverse root over y square minus 2, that is limit here root over 1 plus 2a square by a, and this is here a square by 2. Okay, so see, put the upper limit here, that is a square plus 2, and tan inverse in place of y, if we substitute here like a square plus 2 here, so if we put here y square, the value here is a square plus 2, 2 to cancel, and then into a here, and also minus 2, if we substitute here then 2 tan inverse. Okay, and this is here 2 to cancel, then a, and then minus, if we put here, that is root over 1 plus 2a square by a, and that is tan inverse. In place of y square minus 2, we got there, that is 1 plus 2a square. This is root over y square minus 2, that is 1 plus 2a square by a square, and this is minus 2. Okay, okay, and this is y square, if we y square then this, and minus 2. Take a LCM here, like a, 2a square. So this is 1 by a. So this is equal to, if we put this value in there, and this is here 1 by a, and for this figure, okay, into y, and y means whole the value, okay. So into root over 1 plus 2a square by a, okay, and minus 2, and tan inverse, this value is 1 by a. Okay, and this can be written as like root over a square plus 2 tan inverse a into root over a square plus 2, and this is here minus root over 1 plus 2a square by a, and tan inverse under root 1 plus 2a square by a square, and minus, in between them 2 are common there, and minus 2, that is tan inverse x into cot inverse x. If we add this, that is equal to pi by 2 here. Okay, 2 into tan inverse a, and this is here, okay, there is a mistake, so 2, okay, so 2 into tan inverse a minus cot inverse a, so that is pi by 2 plus tan inverse a. So this is your answer, and we can add this 2 into tan inverse a. So then these are easy here. Okay, so this is your answer for this integral. So see carefully, interesting question. And now go to the second question. It is here sec square. It is just sec square twice x dx by 1 plus tan cube x whole to the power n. And this is equal to, we can write like dx by 1 plus tan cube x whole to the power n and dx, and this is cosec 2x. Cosec 2x means sin 2x, and sin 2x can be written like 2 tan x sin 2x is 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x, and here is dx. So now let us assume this is here y is equal to tan x and dy equal to sec square x dx. Okay, and this is here dy 1 plus tan square x dx, 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x, and this is 1 plus tan square x and dx, that is dy, and 1 plus this is as a y cube whole to the power n and 2y, and see this is their y cube, so that's a multiply by y square on the numerator and denominator part. Okay, like that, and 1 plus y cube whole to the power n and y cube here, and let 1 plus y cube as a z, so 3y square dy here dz. Okay, so this is 3 here, so you can write here as a 1 by 6. So this is 1 by 6 3y square dy, that is dz, and see 1 plus y cube as a z to the power n, y cube as a here z minus 1. Okay, see this is 1 by 6 and dz, and this is here take a common z, so z to the power n plus 1 and 1 minus 1 by z, and this is equal to 1 by 6, and that is 1 minus 1 by z to the power minus 1 by z to the power n plus 1 and dz. Okay, and this is z equal to 1 plus y cube, and that is equal to 1 plus tan cube x. You know the value of this is 1 plus and this, so we can write here 1 by z is less than 1, so mod of that, so you can apply the expansion. So that is here 1 by z, 1 by z square, 1 by z cube dot dot dz by z to the power n plus 1. See the carefully. Okay, see the solution. This is 1 by 6 here, so z to the power minus n plus 1 and z to the power minus n minus 2, z to the power minus n minus 3 dot dot to infinity as a dz. So this is here 1 by 6, z to the power minus n by minus n, z to the power minus n minus 1 by minus n minus 1, between minus n minus 2 by minus n minus 2, and this can be expressed like minus 1 by 6 and z to the power n minus n r equal to 0 to infinity and whole divided by n plus r. Okay, n plus r, not to be written from 0 here, we start from here 1, so that's why this is minus 1 and this also can be written as plus 1. If we put 0 here, if we put 1 here, then we got here 0, then n. If we put here 1, then minus n only. If we put 2 here, then we get 2 here, this is n plus 1, 2 here, this is okay, very good, plus c. Okay, this is plus c, and this is minus 1 by 6, and summation r equal to 1 to n to infinity, that is n plus r minus 1, and z means here z is 1 plus y cube. Y cube means tan x, so that is 1 plus, this is tan cube. Z means okay, tan cube x, and whole to the power n plus r minus 1 plus c. Okay, see, this is the solution. Very interesting question. See the solution carefully. Okay, bye.